Hi everyone. In this video, I'll walk you through how to install R and RStudio. These are the two software you'll need to complete the exercises from week 7 onwards for the rest of this unit. So let me share my screen. Now I've found the easiest way to do this is just to go to Google and search for download R and RStudio. I'll zoom in a little bit, it's a bit easier to see. And the link you're looking for is this first one over here from Posit. Just says RStudio desktop. So I'll click on that. And it will take a while because it was trying to detect what type of system you're using, whether it's Windows, Mac, or otherwise. And then for me, because I'm using Windows, it's giving me the installation file for Windows. For you, it will depend on what you're using. Now, the first thing you'll have to do is install R. Think of R as the engine or the machine that's running all the analyses. So you need to download this file first and install it. Just once you click on it, just run through the prompts. It should install automatically by itself. Once that's done, then you click on Install RStudio. Again, this button will look different depending on whether you're Windows or Mac. And you click on this and it'll run and install as well. If it doesn't show the correct one, you can scroll down a little bit and it'll show you those files as well for whatever version you're using. Most people would just either be Windows or Mac. Now, once you have finished installing everything, you can probably search for it directly from your search bar. So if you type in RStudio, it'll probably show you the right one. I like to bookmark it because I use it so often. That's entirely up to you. And you click on it, it'll take maybe up to a minute to open up. And then it will look something like this. My view is a bit different because I use it so much. I have a black background so the white screen doesn't hurt my eyes. But let me revert back to the normal view for you for the first time. All right, so I think by default, the very first time you open up an RStudio, it'll look something like this. But if you can see this correctly, then it means you've got this first part down, which is correctly installing R and RStudio.